Eating hot food at the Seudah. There is a mitzvah to eat hot food on Shabbos day meal. Poskim speak strongly against one who is able to eat something hot and does not do so. And they extol one who is careful, exalt, I'm sorry. One who careful to do so. It is therefore the custom in all Klal Israel to eat cholent or chamim at the meal. So it's proper. So why do we eat hot meal? Because that's what people enjoy. They enjoy hot meal, something like not cold cuts or salad, right? A hot meal. So and the most popular foods here is a cholent. Cholent is for Ashkenazim and for Hasidim, and Chamim is a Sephardic food. I mean, but same idea, right? All these beans that cook, they take very long time to cook, and they put in slow cooker, and that's what they do. In my family, we don't eat neither of them because it's very, very heavy food. Like you eat this stuff, it's very tasty, and you go to sleep and you wake up next summer only, right? But if you want to learn Torah, that's you don't need this heavy food. You can eat soup. So today we have slow cookers. You have a good slow cooker, right? All this fancy schmancy stuff, and that's it. So you can put soup, right? And it's going to be hot. It does not have to be this heavy foods. But if some, I mean, they're tasty. These chamim and cholent tasty, but it put you to sleep. However, one who suffers pain by doing so, for example, for dietary reason, is not required to eat hot foods on Shabbos day, but should try to at least drink something hot. So that's why, in the summer, like when it's very, very hot, very, very humid, people usually don't like to eat hot food, but at least minimum of the minimum, like have a hot tea, like hot coffee during the meal, something, right? Okay. So today with all the slow cookers, it's like different world compared to the olden days. Okay, continue. And plus you have a hot tray. You can put on a hot tray, or you can put on a blech, or if you want to use stove. So the difference between hot tray and stove. So on stove you can have like a higher flame, like much more hotter than on this hot plate. So it's personal preference.